Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss a very popular interview question. Find the maximum character in a given string. So this problem can be solved easily and efficiently with hash map. So we'll be using an empty object and we'll create a map and so we'll loop through each and every character in a string, and if the particular character is there in the string, we will increase it to plus one. If not, then we will assign it to one. So first we'll check if that string already in our map. So so if it's not, then we'll assign that particular string to one. Else we'll increment the string. So suppose we have an example string called Ronaldo, and we created a map, and then as soon as the loop iterates from the end is zero, zeroth index will be r, and we'll assign, since it is not existing in our map, we'll assign it to 1, and then we'll go with o is also not assigned, then we'll assign it to 1. Then similarly it will be like we'll go through each and every character, and we'll keep assigning one until and unless it start appearing. Start appearing the new again the same character. Then we'll increment that particular character to plus one. Uh, so like this, it will be keep on. We'll keep on assigning the newly introduced character in our map. So like similarly, then L will come. We'll assign it to one. Then J will come, we'll assign it to 1. Then again, see, after R, O, N, A, L, D, again O comes. So here, when we'll check if it already exists, the O already exists in it, then we'll do a plus 1 and we'll update it to 2. And then we finally output this maximum repeating character in our solution, that will be O. And we'll also return the number of count of that particular maximum repeating character, which is 2. Let's see how we can do in code. Let's implement the code here for this problem. We will write a function find maxchar, and which will be having a parameter as string. Then we'll create a variable, and also in case the string contains caps, also in a mixture of lowercase and uppercase. So it's always better to make the entire string into a lowercase. So first thing first we'll make the entire string into a lowercase. Then we'll create a string map, str map, as an empty object here. Then we will create a variable called maxchar, and we'll assign it to empty string. Then we'll create a loop, let I is equal to 0. The index will start from 0, and then we will loop through the length of the entire string. Sorry, here I less than str dot length I plus plus. Then let's create a variable key It's not necessary to create, but it's better to make your program more readable. So key will be like str of I. Then we'll check if this particular key exists in our map or not. So str map of that key is there. If it's not there, then we'll assign it to 1. Str map of that key is equal to 1. Else we'll increment. And after this, we'll be checking every time which is the maximum character exists here. So we'll check this condition. If str map of that key greater than str map of max char. And also, since we set our max char to empty string, and when this condition will be checked here, then it will be like one greater than undefined, then it will return falsy. So for this condition, you have to check whether the max char is equal to empty string, or it is the map str map of that particular key greater than str map of max char. So here, since max char is empty string, then we'll assign, since it is an empty string, then we'll assign the current key as your maximum character, repeating character. Before that, I will call that function with max char Ronaldo. You can see that when I'm returning the maximum character, it is max char, it is O, and you can clearly see O as we repeated twice. And if I try to show you like how the maps looks after running through the entire character of the given string, then it will be str map, and you can see that how many times each and every character has been repeated. R of R is repeated once, then O repeated twice, then N, A, L, D all repeated, all came only one time. And if you want to find the maximum, if you want to find the count of that maximum character, then you can just simply try to log that particular max char, then see it is 2, which is what the O has the number of time it has been repeated in this particular given character. There's one more thing I would like to discuss, that let's say you have a character with the name Cristiano Ronaldo. Okay, and you can clearly see there is a space in between. And if I run this and check our map, then that particular empty string will also become a key of that particular map, which may or may not be required for your solution. And so what you can do, if I show you here the map, so the map will be looking something like this. And I can show you this empty string is also assigned as one, since this character is it's occurred once the empty string. If I do this like this, if I increase the empty character, then it will be the count will increase to. For that, you can go with like if the key is equal to an empty string, then you continue. So in this case, it won't count the empty string and it won't put that empty string as a key in your map. So this is the edge case that you can check for. And also you can also mm, do a validation check. If that string is of length 0, then you can ask the user to input a valid string. Let's say if string dot length is 0, then you can tell, then please enter a valid string with length more than 1 or more than 0, would say. Right. So this you can return, and as soon as you pass an invalid string, this will be this will log to the user that please enter a valid string. And also valid string also contain, you can also check the type of the string. Those are the validation you can definitely do in your program to make your program more robust. And in case you're wondering what I'm using here, I'm using a extension called Coca. Coca is it comes in two different variant, a free variant and a pro variant. Here I'm using a free variant where you can install Coca and just you can run onto your file, and wherever you will be consoling, it will giving you the output onto your screen itself rather than you're going into a terminal or something. So if you like this video and if you understand it and you're happy with it, then please like this video and support this channel and subscribe to this channel, and you can click on the bell icon to receive every time I'm uploading a new coding problem. And if you have any sort of feedback, then please write it down in the comment section. I'll be definitely looking to that and try to make a video on that. So thank you for now. This is a very important interview question, especially if you're going for a JavaScript or interview where maybe a front-end interview. It has been asked a lot of time, this particular question, so better be prepared for this problem, and wish you a very good luck. Thank you.